Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make these adorable winged fringe clips. It's basically for holding a child's fringe out of the way while they're growing out their bangs or the fringe, depending on where you're from or what you refer them to. And like I said, super cute. I've done them in, that's 1.5 inch ribbon, 2 inch ribbon, and 3 inch ribbon, and as you can see they're quite cute in all sizes. I'll just show you the difference. That's the 2 to the 1.5, and what you'll need, let's move those out of the way, is some ribbon, your scissors for cutting your ribbon, tape measure, your extra strength upholstery thread, pearl thread or extra strength thread, anything that isn't cotton. This is high tack glue. It is basically just for holding our ribbon together for a few moments while we do the twist to get this particular shape. You can also use fray stop or trim it. Like I said, they're all high tack as well. You can pick these up in your Hobby Lobby or hobby craft stores. They're not very expensive, but they are not for holding ribbon permanently. It is just literally just hold it as you are getting your stitches in. An alligator clip to line and attach your bow to, and a lighter to heat seal all your ends. And I have got my ribbon here. And we are going to make a 2 inch version, and I've got the contrasting 9mm to line the clip and add the centre in a second. Okay, so we need 2 inch ribbon, and this is 9 inches, and the measurements for the 1 inch, 2 inch and 3 inch versions will all be in the description below once I've done. And what you want to do is fold in half, crease centre, like so, heat seal your ends, and then with your high tack, all you want is a teeny thin layer, like so, not very much at all. We go like so, and we've literally only put, like I said, about 1/4 of a centimetre, possibly even less than that. And I'm just going to use the clip to hold it in place. Takes a couple of minutes for this to sort of set enough for us to do the twist without it coming loose. So here's one I prepared earlier. Very organised of me. And as you can see underneath here, we've got our crease there, and we've got our glued line there. And what we do, let me just wipe off the letters on the high tack glue seem to come off on my fingers, so just get rid of that. That's what you do, is where that line is, where this, lift, turn, so you've got your 2 creases matching there, and then we fold like so, and reclip here. That's that one side. And you sort of just like so there. And that was the shape that you get. And I'll undo that again and just show you. So flat like so. Hold your crease, this layer, move it so your two creases are lined up, so it looks like this, and then twist it over, reline up your creases so that they sit nicely, clip it, adjust so you get your nice points. Make sure you're centered, and we do our stitches in just a second. And we want to go right in the crease, and we're going to go across. We want 6 stitches to get the 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure you've got all your layers there, because like I said, the glue is purely just to hold it while you get those stitches in, not to, and twist it, not to hold it permanently. Then cinch like so. Wrap round. And stitch off in the back. Let's cut that thread off. Okay, that's the shape you get. That's your front. That's what your back looks like. Obviously you get that there, and obviously it's going to go on your side clip in a minute like so. Just tie off my thread so I don't forget in a minute. That's better. So now we want our clip, and what I do with these before I glue, because we're gluing directly across there and putting the ribbon on, I'm just going to warm that up in my hand a little bit so that we can flatten the glue, because it helps if it's just a little bit warm first. Got our 9mm, and we're going to heat seal the end, and we're going to put a tiny touch of glue there because we're going to do a full line on this one. Just there, and put your ribbon there, hold it down a second. Going to, I've got my thread unpicker here as well because I'm going to use that to get everything lined up in here in just a minute. So we want a touch of glue here, can you see? Make sure it's centered. I'm just using that to hold the ribbon down. And I want a touch of glue there. Like that. And again, just using that to push ribbon against the glue so it stays nice and flat and doesn't pop loose. Then we're going to glue along here. I'm just going to add a little bit more warmth to that just to have the glue. And you have to work quick with this because you don't want the glue to start setting before you've flattened it a little bit. Okay, so we don't want any bumps and ridges of glue underneath the ribbon. We want it as flat as possible. We don't want any lumps here. Another trick you can do, if you've got a clear if you've got one of these metal tipped glue guns and you've got no glue or excess or any stains or anything like that on your glue gun tip, you can run it over your clip like so, and that will flatten it out and even out the glue some more underneath. But I would only advise that if you've got a completely clean tip like this. If there's any glue or excess or any mess on it, don't do it because you will get stains and marks on your ribbon. Okay, and what I do is fold that over there and work out where the join is. Cut that excess off. So that's ready to be glued down in a second. And we're going to have these up and we're going to glue this side here. So just want a touch of glue here on this flat side. Just there. And you take clip. And what you want to do is try and line up your wing with the ends where you can. Your 2-inch ribbon needs about a 50mm clip. Your 1.5 fits nicely on a 45. 3-inch needs a 75 or 70mm clip. You basically want one where you can get your wings to sit completely across like so. So that's what it looks like at the moment. That's the back. Get the rest of the 9mm. Heat seal there again, just to dot the glue here. Open that clip, line it up with your middle, and we're going to wrap round as normal at least twice. Open your clip, round again, wrap it over to see how much you need to cut. Okay, heat seal that end. Want a touch of glue just here. Quite enough. That's better. Open the clip, hold that down a second, and what we're going to do now is going to put some glue on here, and that's going to go over there and hide that. Okay. Not too much, but enough so you can spread it out when you're pressing it down. So open your clip again. And make sure you've got that nicely pressed down. And there you go. Super simple, but super cute little winged fringe clips. Like I said, do them in multiple colour options. You can do them to the left or the right. They're adorable in all the different sizes. You could do them in print ribbon. The options are basically endless, and like I said, all the measurements will be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please share, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications when I release more videos. Like I said, it's normally Tuesday and Friday every week, but at the moment I am doing a few more randomly throughout the week. Don't forget to come and join me over on Facebook. It's under the same name, Catherine's Ribbon Bow Tutorials and Follow Alongs. If you need any extra help or anything like that on any of the tutorials, feel free to ask me over there and I will help you as much as you need. I love, like I said, helping people get the bows that they want to make, and I love seeing your versions of the tutorials I put up for you. So thanks again, bye!